Hey guys, it's Frexius. I'm going to be doing an unboxing today. I've always wanted to do one of these. So I've bought myself a laptop. This is a Fujitsu Lifebook AH531. It's a cheap laptop. For those of you who are in the UK, I bought it from eBay for just over £400. The nice thing about this laptop is, although it's a cheap model, it actually comes quite well spec'd. It has a Intel Core i5 processor. The exact model is a 2430M, and that's a Sandy Bridge processor. So for those of you who know, Sandy Bridge are one of the newest architectures from Intel, and they are very fast. It also has 4 gigabytes of memory and a pretty average, I guess, graphics chip for a laptop. So here we just have manuals and CDs. And a power supply. There's the connector there, pretty standard stuff. Now the build quality of this thing is actually quite nice. It's not like one of those cheap, creaky kind of plastics. It feels pretty solid. It has one of those glossy finishes, which I'm not a particular fan of, but you know, it looks nice, at least for the first 5 minutes. Here you can see the very shiny screen, which again I'm not a big fan of. I don't like the glare from it, but it's a cheap laptop, can't complain. Another close-up of the keyboard now with all the plastic taken off. The keys are very thin and flat, as you can see. The keys have quite a nice feel to them. Not too bad. And here on the left side we have VGA, LAN, HDMI and 2 USB ports. On the front we have headphone socket, microphone socket and a card reader. On the right side we have another USB port, Kensington lock, the DVD drive and of course the power cable. And I've got it set up now. Or at least partially set up the way I like it. This is my preferred browser, Opera. And I'm just going to go and have a little look in Minecraft to show you guys what the performance is like in a fairly basic game. But those of you who have played Minecraft probably know it's quite system intensive, so it's quite a good test of a laptop. And as you can see, it actually does pretty well. I get about 28 frames a second, I think, most of the time. And that's with all the graphics on fancy and everything, so not bad. So if anyone out there wants a cheap laptop and is thinking about buying this one, I hope this unboxing and mini review helps you out. And all I can say is I'm extremely impressed for the price, considering that it's not a gaming laptop, but it handles Minecraft pretty well. Consider it recommended.